Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by validating the network and account so pairing won't fail. Make sure your router broadcasts a 4 GHz SSID and you know the password. Open the Google Home app, sign in, and choose Add Setup Device. Power on a Google Home speaker or Nest device until it announces Setup Mode. The app will detect it. Once detected, follow on-screen QR or Bluetooth prompts to connect the first device to your Wi-Fi and assign it a temporary room. Once the initial device is online, continue by organizing and linking. In the app, put each device into the correct room so you get targeted responses and multi-room groups. Link third-party services like Spotify, Netflix, and Philips Hue under Settings services. This lets voice control and casting work seamlessly. Enable voice match so Google recognizes you, set default speaker or TV for casting, and force a firmware check to ensure all devices run the latest build before you create route. You finish by testing and refining so the system feels reliable. Run sample voice commands, trigger a routine, cast audio to a speaker group, and play video to a TV. Listen and watch for delays. Make small adjustments like device priority and morning routine timing. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fix first. Reboot the router and the affected device, confirm the device has a unique IP, and then rerun setup. This usually resolves connection or discovery failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.